Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 2nd, 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with the latest insights from CryptoQuant. The stablecoin market is booming, reaching a record high of $169 billion this year. This surge in stablecoin liquidity is providing a strong foundation for potential increases in Bitcoin prices. Julio Moreno from CryptoQuant highlights that the net inflow of stablecoins into centralized exchanges, particularly USDT, is a key indicator of Bitcoin's price movements. With USDT reserves hitting a record $22.5 billion, the correlation with Bitcoin's price rise in September is clear. Adding to the optimism, K33 research points to favorable market conditions, including shifts in the Federal Reserve's policy and China's liquidity efforts, as bullish factors for Bitcoin. In related news, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF has been approved for options trading. This development is expected to boost demand and inflows into the Bitcoin market, further enhancing the positive outlook for the cryptocurrency. Moving to Asia, Japanese firm Metaplanet is making waves with its strategic acquisition of 107 additional Bitcoins, bringing its total holdings to over 500 BTC, valued at around $32 million. This move, financed through a loan from MMXX Ventures, is part of Metaplanet's strategy to hedge against the volatility of the Japanese yen. Since starting its Bitcoin investments in April, Metaplanet has seen a staggering 420% increase in its stock price, despite Bitcoin's recent price dip. This aggressive approach positions Metaplanet as a significant player in the Asian cryptocurrency market. Over in Europe, Robinhood Crypto has launched crypto transfers, allowing customers to deposit and withdraw over 20 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. This new feature, highly anticipated by users, aims to give customers more control over their digital assets. To celebrate, Robinhood is offering a 1% match on all crypto deposits, with a maximum reward of €10,000. This move is part of Robinhood's broader strategy to expand its offerings in Europe, including zero-fee trading and staking options. In the realm of blockchain infrastructure, HyveDA has introduced HyveDA, a new data availability layer boasting gigabyte throughput secured by Symbiotic. This innovation addresses the trade-off between performance and decentralization, supporting the next generation of Web3 networks. With features like high throughput and sub-second latency, HyveDA is poised to support data-intensive applications, marking a significant step forward in blockchain data availability. Shifting gears to the investment landscape, Regan Bosman has released the second annual State of Seed report, analyzing over 1,000 companies that raised seed funding in 2022. The report reveals that while 80% of these companies are still operational, only 1% have found product-market fit. It highlights the risks of following market trends, with many companies in popular sectors like gaming facing high failure rates. Bosman advises investors to focus on identifying promising opportunities rather than chasing market fads. In the DeFi space, the Synthetix project is at a crossroads, needing a transformation to regain its relevance. Known for its pioneering contributions, Synthetix is looking to return to its startup roots under new leadership. The focus will be on building for mass adoption and facilitating cross-chain transactions, aiming to showcase the advancements in DeFi over the past 5 years. Finally, Imran Khan's analysis of Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchain ecosystems highlights the competition for developers. With the Ethereum virtual machine and Solana virtual machine dominating the space, new chains face challenges in attracting talent. Khan notes the cultural differences between these communities, leading to a culture war as developers align with values that resonate with them. In a potential game-changer for traditional finance, Charles Schwab has expressed interest in offering cryptocurrency trading services pending regulatory changes. As one of the largest investment service companies in the US, Schwab's entry into the crypto space could significantly expand investment opportunities and influence other financial institutions to explore digital assets. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the digital frontier.